Hi guys, it's me again, V, aka the 22nd letter. So, I actually made a vlog channel called the 22nd letter, and that's because my name is V, and V is actually the 22nd letter. But I kind of fell off the earth after 7 episodes of uploading weekly, just because I had so much pressure getting a schedule out, and I really didn't have any viewers yet, so I thought maybe I should just do it once in a while and just re-upload what I had on that channel to this main channel of mine that have covers. And so maybe I'll just try to re-edit and condense the files that I have uploaded on there and actually upload new episodes. Well, I guess kind of new, because they were not uploaded on the channel, but I have filmed them way before, and maybe upload them for you guys so that just a daily life of me. The channel will also be the 22nd letter. New intro for vlogs, so if you see white background, that's gonna be a vlog, and if you see the gray, the usual blue background, that's gonna be covers. So I hope you guys try to enjoy my vlog as much as you do my covers, and I hope to see you soon. I'm sure you're gonna say my gosh.
Stop.
So let's chit chat about our lives. This is a quick video. Hey guys, it's me V, aka the 22nd letter. So today we're actually doing the Spicy Ramen challenge. It was started by 영국 남자, or Korean Englishman, and they started with the 불닭볶음면 challenge, and now they have like a complete viral mode. They try the 핵불닭볶음면, and I'm gonna try it with my friend. This is 2 times spicier than the 불닭볶음면, and I'm just hoping that we like it. So let's see. Hi, I'm gonna call my friend. Hi. Are you ready?
No, I'm just kidding. Well,
What? Well, you said it does smell good when we were cooking it.
it does.
I don't like how red it is. And I mean, it doesn't have soup, but then that would mean that the thing will cling onto the noodles.
True too. That's true too. I'm so nervous.
What do we do?
Scared.
Okay. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready.
I guess I am. Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
Whew.
Okay, let's get it first.
Okay.
We're not like it's not the moment yet. Like, look at this, man. Look how red that is.
Oh my gosh. Oops.
Like,
I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, let's get ready.
Okay.
Is it all in one thing? Like a
What do you
big
mean?
whole thing? One. Okay.
Oh my
One.
gosh.
Actually, I'll take my glasses off. 1, 2, go.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
That's good.
it's good. It's not bad.
But I can feel it. Oh my gosh.
It just goes straight right in. Like,
What am I doing? Why am I doing this?
oh, don't stop. If you stop, you feel it. I tell you, you feel it when you stop.
See, it is good.
It is good.
So you don't stop.
It does remind me of like another flavor for some reason.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it hit. No, I'm not. Okay. First one to reach for the milk to
What?
get a punishment.
Oh my gosh.
A
Are
flip
we
on
gonna
the-
finish this?
I don't know if we can. Oh my god!
What if I go for water?
No. A flick on the forehead.
What?
No, don't stop. If you don't stop. This is bad. Why are we doing this? Why did we take this challenge? I'm going crazy.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, don't stop.
It's burning.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's hot, so it adds to the pain.
I can do this. Okay, I've tried like really super spicy noodles before at this one restaurant. It was like a jambalaya pasta.
Oh yeah. Was that on your birthday? Oh, that
Yeah,
was really spicy too. Oh my gosh, I'm about to cry.
But that one was like, it just hurt. Like, it didn't even taste good. This one tastes good.
Yeah, that's true too. True.
But it hurts. Oh. Okay. Listen to the package. Like, it tastes 2 times spicy. It is 2 times spicy.
I get it. Okay.
And when
I've tried the first one?
Yeah. And when I bought it, the lady who actually sold it.
I'm reaching for milk.
The lady who actually sold it when I was buying it said, "This is super spicy. Are you sure?" And I said, "Yes, I'm sure."
Wow.
So, okay, this is your intro mug.
See, you were just waiting for me. You know I was gonna reach for.
Okay, it helps. The milk helps,
It does.
guys.
It
So
does.
have milk. When you eat this, have milk. Or maybe if you put cheese on it, would it make it like the same effect as the milk? I mean, it is dairy.
No, I don't think so. I mean, like, I don't know.
But like, you know, cheese ramen. Okay,
Yeah.
this
Well,
is
it's better. Like it's. Oh my gosh.
This is-
not gone.
this is my last one. I can't finish this. We shouldn't finish it. It's bad for your health, guys. We failed this challenge.
Totally. It tastes good though, unless we add more noodles to it, right?
Well, yeah, that's kind of cheating, though.
No, I mean like just so it doesn't go to waste.
Oh, yeah. We could. So the milk only relieves you when you drink it?
Yeah, when you
And then
have it, then
when
Do I
it's
do it
gone,
again?
it's there again. Like, not even a few seconds. Oh,
see, it's good.
it is good. It is good, guys.
But
Man.
that
Why
was
did we do
quick.
this?
Yeah.
It was really quick. We have about this much noodles left. We cooked 2 packages.
I'm crying.
I
Oh my
all the
gosh.
mucus in my nose is just like it's nuclear, like it suggests in its packaging. So I don't know why they made this. Is this only made for challenges?
Maybe.